So the armed forces of Pakistan, whether on ground, whether in air, everywhere, your security forces gave, जिसको हम कहते हैं, an effective, immediate and a brutal response, well-deserved response to the terrorists and their facilitators, their sponsors, to the master proxy in the region, of the master proxy of the terrorism. जबकि आपकी अफवाज ये रिस्पांस दे रही थी, तो जिस तरह मार्के हक में देखा कि पूरी कौम बुनियानो मरसूस बन के एक आनी दीवार बन के साथ खड़ी थी, यही मनाजिर कल कौम ने दोबारा देखे कि इट इज़ नॉट ओनली द आर्म फोर्सेस, इट इज़ एक्चुअली द पीपल ऑफ पाकिस्तान, इट इज़ इट्स सिविल लीडरशिप, it is the political parties, was the media, it was the social media and people on ground on the streets who were all together full of resolve. I'll show you just a few glimpses of that.